Yesterday at about 10:15, Song outpost got information that there was sound of an explosion and that it happened near gate number one of BSF Frontier headquarters. And thereafter, immediately the police party from Song outpost rushed to the area, and they had found that there was glass pieces all over the road, and the wall in a a rented house where one Subham CH Moment, about 27 years, the wall had come off. It had been blown apart, and that this Subham was having burned injuries and was severely injured. Two other people also, one BSF constable and Subham's friend, had minor injuries and all that. They were immediately rushed to the hospital. Thereafter, forensic bomb disposal had arrived to this scene of occurrence. We examined everything, and after all examinations and all that, we found that it was an explosion. It was ascertained that it was an explosion, an aerosol blast. It's called an aerosol blast, whereby gas had leaked out from a cylinder, and when Subham had actually lit the stove, the whole thing exploded. So there is no foul play. Bomb disposal had already tests the area. They've seen if there are any indications of any IED and all that, which is not there. We've done swab tests uh, of the sediments around there, and also of whatever splinters or whatever stains were on the wall and all that. But there is no indication of any bomb or IED. It is just pure. It's a pure aerosol kind of blast because of the gas leakage, and so of course the injured person, one is in the BSF hospital. The BSF Jawan has been shifted to Negrams, and Subham, the one who actually lit up the gas stove, he got 35% burn injuries. He's been referred from Negrams to hospital in Guwahati.
Is it a human error or gas?
Yes, it is purely. I mean, as till what we've ascertained, it is human error only. It's gas leakage, and there's no foul play in it.
The gas company, whether they can be held responsible or the person who did not keep it properly.
See, we can't ascertain some. I mean, right now we have not been able to ascertain whether it's a fault of the company or that particular gas cylinder was faulty. But it also could be human error also, whereby the regulator is not de-attached properly, and sometimes if it's half attached, then gas leaks out. These precautions should have should be taken, and if the smell of gas, we should have actually been more precautious. So only thing is that what is important is that to understand that it was not any explosive which had any um, subversive intention in it, which we actually had initially thought of, but it's just blast from aerosol. Once this inquiry is still on, actually how the gas leaked and all that, and probably we will exhort gas agencies that they should have safeguards for their gas cylinders and how to go about it so that we don't have any gas leakages like that, because these gas leaks are, you really actually can't see. It's until you light up and there's a fire and there's an explosion, and this can be very fatal also. So yeah.